What is up, everyone? Doc Jake here with Athlete's Potential. Now today what we're going to talk about is knee pain when squatting. So a lot of times when people have pain with squatting, there's a lot of different reasons that can be caused. But what we're going to talk about today is something called patellofemoral pain, or essentially just in our kneecap. Right underneath our kneecap, there's some compression that can happen there, which causes a lot of pain. We'll feel pain in front of our knees with this. There's super common type of like agitation of the knee. Now, what typically happens with that, you're going to have that after like a heavy squat cycle where you just have some tight quads. And a really common drill to help out with tight quads is something called a couch stretch. Now, the issue with the couch stretch is a lot of people kind of do it wrong. So let me show you what I mean by that. So when they come in and do their couch stretch, they're going to come in, they'll have their knee kind of a little bit far away from the wall here. They're just going to be kind of like in this position right here, right? So you can see like my back is a little bit arched here, getting a little bit of a pull in the quad, but definitely not, we're not being as targeted as we could be, and our time is the most valuable thing that we all have. So I want to make sure we're as efficient with our movements as possible, right? So instead of this, what I want to do, I'm going to get a pad up here, just a nice cue for where your knee should be. But essentially what you're going to do is you're going to get that knee completely flat against the door here, okay? So I'm not out this way, I'm nice and flat against the door. And then what I'm going to do, just a nice comfortable position right here. Now I've got some pretty good mobility in my quads, like I could go all the way up if I needed to, right? But what we don't need that to get the benefit of this stretch. So what we're going to do, I'm going to be right here, all I'm going to do is squeeze my butt. I'm going to essentially try to drive my hip forward without moving, right? So I'm here, I'm just going to squeeze my glutes. I'm going to get a good strong pull right here. No pressure to my back. I'm attacking my quad from both the knee and the hip. It's going to really loosen up that quad for you. I want you to do that drill for about 2 minutes on each side, and then let us know how your knee pain feels afterwards. So that's called the couch stretch variation. Get that knee up against the wall, 2 minutes, let us know what you think.